In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Evernote email address. Evernote is a fantastic tool for keeping your notes organized and accessible, but sometimes managing your settings can be a little confusing. One of the handy features of Evernote is the unique email address it provides, allowing you to email notes directly into your Evernote account. Today, we'll walk through the steps to locate that Evernote email address so you can seamlessly integrate your notes from your email inbox right into Evernote. To get started, open the Evernote app on your device. You'll want to begin at the home screen or dashboard. Your first move is to navigate to your profile icon. This is usually located in the upper left corner of the app interface. Give that icon a tap. Doing so will bring you into the Account Settings or Profile Overview section, presenting a variety of options that you can manage or customize. Once you're in the Profile section, look for an option labeled Account Info. This is where you'll find all the details related to your Evernote account, including your username, email address, and of course, the unique Evernote email address that directs notes into your account. Tap on Account Info, and you'll be taken to a screen displaying all of this critical information. Now, as you explore this section, take a moment to locate the area that showcases your Evernote email address. It should stand out clearly, along with any instructions on how you can use this feature. This email address will typically look distinct, often incorporating parts of your username combined with special Evernote identifiers. Make sure you take note of this email address. You might want to jot it down, or better yet, save it to your contacts list for easy access later. Once you've found your Evernote email address, it's a good idea to test it out to ensure everything works correctly. Try sending an email or note to this address from your primary email account, and then check your Evernote dashboard to see if the note appears. This serves as a great verification that the email feature is set up correctly and that you can rely on it for your future note-taking needs. To wrap up, locating your Evernote email address is a straightforward process once you know where to look. By accessing your profile icon, navigating to Account Info, and identifying your unique email address, you can enhance your Evernote experience, making note-taking as simple as sending an email. Enjoy the ease and organization that comes with effortlessly directing thoughts and information right into Evernote. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.